When I drive past the graveyard, I still hold my breath. I guess on some level, the thought of what's next makes my stomach hurt. When I get like that, I don't know where to go with it, so I just say something inappropriate, like, must be nice to skip work. If I act like I don't care, it's 'cause I care too much. If I act like I'm not scared, it's 'cause I'm scared as fuck. If I make a joke that you don't think is funny, about how you'll get all of my money after I die, it's 'cause if I don't laugh, I'll cry. When I kiss you goodbye at the airport and I say a plane crash is cheaper than divorce, I can't help it. No, I can't help it. Wish I could stop all these cyclical thoughts, like one day you're here and the next day you're not. I know without you kill me if I ever felt it. If I act like I don't care, it's 'cause I care too much. If I act like I'm not scared, it's 'cause I'm scared as fuck. If I make a joke that you don't think is funny, about how you'll get all of my money after I die, it's 'cause if I don't laugh, I'll cry. When I drive past the graveyard, I still hold my breath. I guess on some level, the thought of what's next makes my stomach hurt.